Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Sheiko Elementary School in West Bloomfield Township, Michigan, part of the West Bloomfield School District, and I've been here multiple times over the years. But today I get to share my heart on a very important topic that's close to my heart, and that was on diversity, right? And I got to speak to grades 1 through 5 here in the gym, students and staff, 2 separate presentations. But the primary focus was really talking about our differences, right? And that's what diversity is. They could be on the outside, they could be on the inside. We have to honor and appreciate all of those, right? And when we do that, we actually grow, right? When we have this greater appreciation for people around us that come from different walks of life, different backgrounds, if we embrace that, our heart knowledge and our overall knowledge, we can learn so much from each other, right? And, to understand that diversity has played a big part in my life, when I think about all my friends from all different paths, it's something that if I had a closed heart, I probably would have, shielded myself from, making these friends. And some of them have turned out to be best friends, right? And so when we really try to put that at the forefront, it's not the easiest thing to do. It does require a lot of kindness and this open heart mentality, but it also is necessary that we show unconditional love. And that means love without any conditions, right? So if somebody's taller than us, shorter than us, wider than us, skinnier than us, if they're a different skin color than us, if they walk different, talk different, see different, hear different, learn different, whatever it is, we can still choose to accept them, right? And we always know that the need for human kindness is beyond there, right? Like the shirt says right here in the sub theme for this program today, it says need human kindness. My friend and I designed this a few years ago. You'll see the peace sign inside the heart. That's where peace has to begin, inside each of our hearts. But there's also 2 people inside the heart, because kindness is not just about showing it to yourself. We have to show it to others, right? And it's something that we can choose each and every day. We can choose that kindness. We can choose that love, to show compassion to others, to include others, to accept others. And look, diversity, it's also so important, because if we were all the same, that'd be very boring. But the fact that we are all unique and beautiful, it's what makes schools like this and all across the world so amazing, right? And I always love, getting to interact with the young people at these assemblies, and there was a lot of pin drop moments, so I know something was hitting home in here. And hopefully it did, because then that kindness can keep growing and growing and growing, right? Those acts of kindness are never lost. That's how we start to change this world, one act of kindness at a time. And it's also so imperative that we do show this kindness, because if I say a kind word or display a kind action, it may not just be changing the heart of the person that I'm showing it towards or doing it towards. It could be anybody that can hear that kind word or see that kind word. It might just change their heart in a positive way as well, right? And so we know that diversity is something that we have heard the word before, and we do talk about it a lot. But there's so many different ways that we can be diverse, right? And it's not just the outside, it could be on the inside too. It could be our gifts, our skills, our talents, our abilities. We have to honor all of those things. And the students really got that, right? Through the interactive examples, the heartfelt stories, the positive hip hop, some of the inspirational videos, all that intertwined was how we were able to really take this message deeper and impart it on everyone's heart. So thanks for touching my heart. It was great to see you all again. Hope to see you again soon. Have a great rest of the school year though for now. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.